Hello students, what do you call the words that have the same meaning? Yes, you're right, they are called synonyms. Let's learn some synonyms today. Big, huge, massive, enormous, gigantic. For example, the king has a huge palace. Old, historic, ancient, shabby, antique. For example, there is an ancient monument in the town. Strange, unusual, weird, bizarre, atypical. For example, he saw a bizarre figure in the dark. Exciting, thrilling, startling, electrifying, compelling. For example, the Uttarakhand trip was thrilling. Empty, vacant, unoccupied, abandoned, deserted. For example, the bench in the park was unoccupied. Hey, it was amazing learning with you. Stay tuned for our next video to learn more exciting words. Till then, keep learning and practicing. Goodbye.